Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use the center stage for selfies on your iPhone 17. At first you need to open your camera application. Here you have to revert it to the selfie, and here, as you can see, we have this button. If you tap this button, you can enable center stage, and by tapping it again you can disable center stage. As you can see, now we can take our photos horizontally even though our phone is vertical, like set to vertical. And now we can just take a selfie, like for example this and this. And now, as you can see, this is the vertical and this is the horizontal. It makes a difference. You can't tell now. You can't say no. And if you want to take selfies outdoors with some friends, using this center stage to just have wider camera angle, tap it and you are good to go. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.